Let's take a look at the different examples. This is round up. There are 18 friends going to a party. Each table at the party can hold 4 people. How many tables will be needed? So here I have my problem set up. 18 divided by 4. I'm using column division. My answer is 4 remaining 2. There are 2 friends who will not have a table. These friends will be standing up. So here's what we do with the remainder. We can't ignore the remainder because we can't leave 2 of the friends standing up. So we round up. Our answer is 5 tables. We will need 5 tables. Drop it. Amy has 17 jelly beans. How many packs of 5 can she make for her friends? Again, I have my problem set up. 17 divided by 5, using column division again. My answer is 3, remaining 2. In this case, I'm going to drop it. We can't make a pack of 5 with 2 jelly beans. So we just drop the remainder, and our answer is 3 packs. In this case, we do not need the extra 2 jelly beans. Share it. 2 kids are sharing 39 cookies. How many does each child get? Again, I have my problem set up. 39 divided by 2, using column division. My answer is 19, remainder 1. In this case, because we're dealing with food, I am going to share the remainder. There is 1 cookie left over. I share it by giving each kid half of it. Our answer is 19 and a half.